A husband and wife who practice real estate in Florida reunited for the first time Thursday night since they were initially detained by federal immigration agents on January 9th. I'm News 6's Mike Valenti, your Orlando community correspondent, and we were back inside the federal courthouse Thursday, this time for 3 cases, one of them Fadia Contreras de Rondon. She was able to lay eyes on her husband for the first time since January 9th. We've also covered his case because he was also on an ICE hold until a judge ordered his release from the Orange County Jail just last week. With her shackles freshly off, but still wearing the clothes she was wearing in jail, Fadia Contreras de Rondon walked out of the federal courthouse in Orlando Thursday after a ruling from Judge John Antune, the same district judge who ruled last week that her husband, Johnny Rondon Rodriguez, was unlawfully held at the Orange County Jail. She was one of 3 detainees released Thursday.
Cuando nos preguntó, dijimos que éramos venezolanos, eso fue suficiente para detenernos.
She's happy to be out. She's shocked by the mistreatment she suffered while in custody for almost a month. She said that they came into this country with great expectations. They still have high regard for this country, but they're confused about how they could have been treated this way despite of having legal documents.
Attorney Philip Arroyo telling Judge Antune in court that the husband and wife have valid driver's licenses, Social Security cards, and work permits as their asylum cases remain pending. And they have realtor licenses given to them by the state of Florida. They were on their way to work January 9th when federal immigration agents pulled them over. Rondon saying in court that she was shuttled from the Orange County Jail to a facility in South Florida and then back to the Orange County Jail, with stops in between at the ICE office in Orlando. Those stops happened whenever her 72-hour hold at the jail ran out. There were some notable moments that happened in court Thursday I just want to mention. It appeared that judges were taking issue with how federal immigration agents handled the 3 cases on Thursday. In Rondon's case, Judge Antune said that there were problems with signatures on the documents that were used to justify her detainment. In another case, he said the arrest warrant wasn't valid. And in the first case we covered Thursday, Judge Julie Sneed said she was concerned that ICE had not yet approved a bond payment that a detainee was willing to pay following a bond hearing in immigration court. Lot to go through here. We're going to keep covering it on air and online on clickorlando.com. I'm your Orlando community correspondent, Mike Valenti, News 6.